So today I'm going to show you how to delete your Rocket Money account. Now we're here on the main page on our iOS device, so you can follow along in real time. Now we're currently on the dashboard over here to go ahead and get started. One thing I do want to quickly note is if you're actually looking to cancel the subscription, that is an entirely different video, which I'll have at the end of this, as well as the show notes down below, so you can make sure you cancel your subscription before deleting your account. Now from this home page over here on the dashboard, we're going to want to go to the top left side over here with our gear icon and click on this. And in this section over here, we want to go to where we see our profile. We're going to tap on this. And inside of our profile section, we're going to want to scroll all the way to the very bottom of the screen. And then here at the very bottom of the screen, you can see this section here that it's going to have you delete your account, keeping in mind that this is irreversible. So I actually don't need to do this at the moment, but just to go ahead and show you on this process, click on delete my account and go through the step-by-step process from there to have your Rocket Money account fully deleted. And like I mentioned earlier, before you do that, make sure you cancel your Rocket Money subscription. And I'll put up my video right over here to show you how to do that step by step.